Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What kind of company is this?
Our company is Zhejiang KGSY international companies. We the main product is a limit switch box and valves, solid valves and air filter. Yeah.
So these are the products?
Yes, this is our product. And as like this is the plastic products, and it can use in the now the electric environment. Yes.
So it's completely plastic.
Plastic.
So
they have no anything the copper and thing and.
That's good. So it doesn't react with any electronic device.
Yes, and this is solid valve. It is explore products, and it can use the air.
For air measurement?
Yes, in air and mechanical factories because it can use it can prove the explore 爆炸哦，是哦，防止爆炸 explore yeah.
So is this it's like for the air quality in the factory
yes,
to check?
Yes. Okay, and as like this, it's
pressure meter.
Air filter.
Air filter.
And yes, it can be the press, can adjust the press, and can 过滤 out the filter.
When do we use this? Where?
It can do use in here.
In the hospital or something, or
as like this, it's Vivo. And
valve, yeah.
Vivo, yes. And it is the actor. The actuator can open the valve, and this box, limited switch box, can now the valve is open and closed, and we can
collect the data.
Yeah. And we can now control the valves open and close. So we all use so many areas. Yes.
So it is actually a really small device. You connect it with different valves, and you can manually control it actually by this thing on the top.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Something else you want to show us?
是吧？哪些可以给他？没有什么了。Nothing. The major products is
this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Hello. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh, they have something for me here.
It's about the healthy food.
Hair-free seafood?
Yeah, inside it's the black bean.
I can eat it?
Yeah.
Oh.
You can eat it.
Can I try it?
Yeah, you can try.
Oh, wow. I always like stuff to eat, so this is good.
It makes strong.
Makes me strong?
Yeah, make you strong.
Oh, look at this. Some black bean in here.
It's very delicious.
Wow, very strong flavor.
再来一个，很好吃的，
好吃，
有营养，
很好吃。
补肾，这个是给男人吃的。
Strong?
哦，吃了要壮的。
For men. For men. So it's good for the man's strength.
姑娘更喜欢这个，您再来一个。
Oh, one more.
Try one more.
I cannot sleep tonight, I think. Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Are you selling this here as well, or just promoting?
Yeah, promoting.
You just want to show?
Yeah.
好，
很谢谢。
好的。
Thank you. Bye bye.
Take a picture.
Okay. Do you want to take a quick picture? We have to be quick because we are still filming here.
Okay.
So, say hi.
Say hi. I'm from China.
Hello.
KGSY company.
我是荷兰人。
可以。Hi.
1、
2.
1、2、3。
Yeah.
我是荷兰人，很高兴见到你。
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
好。